I only got 14 minutes on here, Destiny. Here she comes. Put the dog. Shadow, go over there. Walk over there and he'll follow you. Get her, Destiny. Get him.
Go.
Go over there. Go. You go over there and he'll follow you. She'll follow you. Go over there. You're not in the camera. The bird will be videotaped, not you. Ariel, go walk over there and the dog will follow you.
Go. Go. Look. Sit.
Dog versus the budgie. Destiny, go get the dog. Destiny, where's the dog? Go get the dog. This is cute.
Hey. Hey.
Get him, Destiny.
Hey.
Get the dog. Make nice to the doggy. Oops.
Hey. Go. 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 Sit. Stay.
Stay. Good dog. Go, Destiny. Okay, I want to see this. Stay, Shadow. You'll get cookies, okay?
Stay.
I can't believe what I'm seeing. A bird that thinks...
Stay.
Ooh, pray. Destiny, you may be a hawk, but you're kind of small to carry him.
Stay. Stay. Stay.
My sunshine and friend.
Stay.
Destiny, where's the dog?
Hey.
Hey, put him over there. You're not on... Ariel, get out of the video. This bird and dog. Hey.
Hey.
Go get him, Destiny. She's plotting her revenge. Destiny! She'll go. Destiny. Come on, Destiny. You know the routine. Boogie, 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 boogie. Oh my God, what a mess. You silly girl. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Yeah, she likes the noise. She likes to make noise. Destiny. Destiny. You're a kiss, kiss, kiss. You're a love, love, love. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, you little girl. Little girl, fall down. Where's the dog? Go get him, Destiny. Dog's in your territory. Here she comes. No, no. Dog versus bird. You're not in it, just your body, not your head. And Michael's shirt. Oh, there it goes. Just Destiny, not you. And Shadow. And the sun. And the dog. There's the dog. There's the bird. Help! What's the matter, Shadow? Is she a little too close to you? Help me! I'm afraid of her. Well, as far as she's concerned, you're dinner. Destiny.
It's okay.
Put the dog down and see what the bird does. And make sure she stays on your arm. Shadow. A cribber, eh? Boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Where is he, Destiny? Where's the dog? My sunshine is running on the carpet. What you gonna do with Destiny? What you gonna do with the ketchup pea? Help me, Blabsamaloo, my darling. Said to Graham. She's not afraid of him. There's seed down there. Hey, you don't know where it's been. Such a silly girl. My Destiny. Look at dum dum dum. Help me. Look at the bird on the floor. Liberty used to do that. Destiny, are you trying to tell me something? No, don't move. Dog, bird. She's just looking for food. You know, we're talking about a hen here. Did she bite him? Rocky used to do this. Oh my God. Where are you going, Destiny? I don't think we should get her. Oh no. Right to Ariel's pants. Ariel's pants. She's a bird. And she runs. Run. Hi, Destiny. You are a diva. My Destiny diva. That was